So we're gonna go to the park. When I say we, I just mean me. Okay. I always feel like the neighbors can hear me. What if I just put you guys right here? Okay, we're going to the park. Oh gosh. I just said the word. You didn't hear nothing? No, you didn't. I don't know where to put myself. My hair is all crazy, bro. We're not talking about it. We're not talking about it. I'm not talking about it. Do I look like a real boy? Guys, today would have been so perfect for like the zoo or something. What if I made a video of me going to the zoo alone? I don't know. No, I think I could do it. I could do it, but it's just recording yourself in public by yourself is kind of embarrassing. Yeah, but then I have bangs. I have big bangs. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have eye bags and they're just there, okay? Bruno's looking at me. He knows what's up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just record when we're walking. So yeah. See ya then. Bruno, let's go. Wonder if Bruno knows better not to go on the street. Do you guys think so? When Bruno was a puppy, I trained him on the long leash. It was my fault for not training him on a regular, like, short leash, but this is what we did when he was younger. We would walk and just hike, just us, like, places where no one else was, so I didn't have to have a short leash because it was just us. Come on! Good boy! Okay, so the field should be up here. I've never been there. We'll see though. Bruno, this way. Alright, we're about to come up. There's an opening over there. I think that's it. Kind of nervous. Like, what if it's just not what I imagine? It looks kind of overgrown. Okay, guys, we're here. It's not what I expected. Yeah, he's so cute. Guys, we're doing it. Let's go, Bruno. Bruno, really? Oh, this looks like a place I could run and let the wind blow in my hair. A cardinal! This is pretty, actually. It's just overgrown, not too much. My plan was to find somewhere to kind of just sit. Don't know if we'll get a seat here. Good thing I wore pants. I do wonder if I'm breaking the law right now. So I don't know, like, should this just be the walk? I mean, it would kind of suck walking all around this place with no destination. I wanted to do training with him, specifically just desensitizing and just exposure, because my boy be tripping sometimes. Ooh, I wonder what he's doing. I'm gonna take some pictures and I think we will head back. Fun fact about Bruno, he does not take treats like outside. But if we're walking and I'm trying to train him, he won't take treats. So when I train him, it's a lot of access or denied access. Guys, what? No. Where was he trying to go? I don't know what that was about. He's probably tired because it's been a while since we've been on a longer walk. I'm tired. I have to do this with Dune now. Bruno. Alright, so Dune is super happy to be walking. The thing about Dune, no, he will go in the street. The good thing about Dune is he is very treat motivated, so you could do a lot of training with him just with treats, as opposed to Bruno. I do see bikers ahead. That's one of Dune's triggers, so we will stop and use this as an opportunity to ignore his surroundings. We stopped and two bikers and a mom with a baby passed. And basically I just made him sit and he can look at them, but the second he looks back at me, I reward that because he was choosing to ignore them. Okay, I don't know why I stopped the video right when this happened, but did you see that? He was like sniffing something and then he came over and checked in with me. Good boy. Okay. We're almost at that entrance with the field. Oh, you see that? Good boy, yes. So he looked back at me and he's starting to remember, oh yeah, I have to check in with mom. At the beginning, he wasn't doing it as much, but like I said, we haven't been on these long walks in a while, so. Okay, I literally stopped recording, but he just checked in with me. He's sitting down. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Dan. Yes, good boy. This is also another good practice for recall. I am nervous because this is also where deer hang out. I feel like there's a lot of deer. Oh, Dune's getting excited. He smells something. And I'm kind of scared because, like I said, has a very high prey drive. He's a very, very curious dog. Very curious. Very intrigued. Okay. So I'm gonna make the leash a little longer. Good boy. I do want to reward him because this is, a lot of distractions, a lot of animals over here. So I want to make sure I get his attention. And I'm also gonna practice. Dune, come. Yes, good boy. Okay. But okay, guys, I'm gonna take some pictures. Be right back. Yes, come in. He's so hyped up right now. Which I am happy, like, he's happy. Alright. I'm going to start heading back. Him and Bruno got, like, the same amount of time. Come on, let's go. This is another reason why, I did not want to take the dogs on a walk at the same time because Dune is really crazy. Okay, so he sees a dog. Dune, come. Oh my goodness. Yes, good boy. Yes. Okay, so he's still trying to go there. Yes, good boy. Okay, so I'm rewarding him because he ignored that dog, basically. Yes, good boy. That's what I want. I look for that because I don't want him to rely on me to just tell him to come to me every single time. I want him to just learn how to ignore things. So didn't prompt him or nothing. Dan, here. He lost a cracker. Oh wait, no. I'm right here. I don't know what's in there, but Dune is really focused on it. Good boy. Let's go. I just want to catch this because why did he stop at the crosswalk? Like what? That's a proud mom moment. Okay, guys, can you believe I did all this in these shoes? Like, bro, my house shoes. Okay, guys, we're back at home. Fist bump. Good boy. Thank you for watching this dog walk / dog training. All love.